Hello YouTube, I'm News Center Maine meteorologist Jason Nappy tracking a potential storm with some nor'easter characteristics if it all comes together for the weekend. Talk about this area of low pressure here developing November 18th. So this is like a Friday, Saturday time frame type of storm. Yeah, there is potential here for snow. The best shot right now would be higher elevations, but heavy rain along the coast and also wind. So I'll get into all of this, obviously, as I talk about this storm, and it could be certainly the first nor'easter that we've had or will have for the season. So we'll get into all of that here. The socials, you want to follow along, you want to comment on the videos. I appreciate you so much. We talk about a lot of things there, pizza, ice cream, and all kinds of good stuff. Let's get right to the storm now. And this is November 18th, 2023 at noon. So it's, this is going to obviously change the next couple of days, but low pressure right on top of us as that high I just showed you skirts out of here, okay? So you have a warm up this week, you get a surge of warm air, and then where is this low going to develop? Is it going to be right over Portland, Boston? Is it going to be right off the coast of Cape Cod? A lot's going to depend on a cold front that's going to be moving through and whether the storm rides all the way up the cold front or not. So you have to go and kind of pull the curtain back and look at what's going on in the atmosphere, the energy needed to boost the storm here. So we look here at about 500 millibars, so about 25,000 feet up in the atmosphere. Big trough cuts out here. And if everything comes together at the right time, you've got a big area of low pressure, which has the nor'easter characteristic. Now, what we like to see with this, if you do want a storm of this magnitude, you like to see this energy phase and come together. You also like to see blocking going on in the North Atlantic. The North Atlantic Oscillation, you want to see that go negative. That's what you want for the storm to kind of put the brakes on and throw that moisture over the colder air, which is being shown up here just a little bit. Not a lot, but a little bit. Saturday at 9 o'clock in the morning here. Once again, this is an estimate, taking the computer models way out here by almost a week. You see rain, coastal plain, inland, snow, higher elevations. You're seeing 40s and 50s. So clearly, this is not a storm that's gone completely negative. It hasn't tilted, and we don't have the blocking to hold it there in place very long, but there is that potential there for certainly rain and snow. Here is the actual amounts of the rainfall amounts, precipitation-wise here. Now, this is the GFS, Global Forecasting System, the American model as it's well known. This is the track right now with that, taking it up down east. Still, though, with that track, you're going to get wind, okay? Even with that storm hugging the coast potentially, so 30, 40, 50 mile an hour gusts. So I'll peel that all back and tell you at this point on Sunday night what I know and what I don't know. What I know, definitely going to be a strong cold front coming. There's definitely plenty of moisture coming up really from the Gulf of Mexico and the Atlantic. There's plenty of energy I showed you that's going to phase and kind of be like a steroid shot into the storm. How much of it gets caught, don't really know yet. What you'd like to see if you want a storm is that negative NAO. Once again, the blocking North Atlantic Oscillation. If you want to see a nor'easter, that's what you want. It would help a lot to have the storm develop. Snow, rain, or neither. Right now, if the storm goes out to sea, you get neither. If you get snow, especially in the mountains, which is more favorable this time of the year, it could be very significant, but you need the right track for that, and obviously the cold air to come down. So we see what the timing of the cold for the next few days. You can follow along on the socials and keep the discussion going and find out, do you want a big nor'easter before Thanksgiving? This would be obviously right before that time frame. So let me know. Go ahead and shout out. Thank you for being here, and we'll talk to you next time we track these nor'easters for the winter.